Hi, I'm Daniel from Carbonwurks, and you join me here today with a Porsche 911 992, and this is the Dissident Automotive Porsche. This is their demo car. So I'm just going to talk about one of the parts here that we've got in front of us. So this is their front splitter. So this is almost a little bit of a double element design. What's quite cool about this, although it looks real chunky, it's actually only about 5mm lower than standard, which means it doesn't restrict your driving ability going over speed bumps all that much. So this is a 2x2 twill Pre-Preg autoclave carbon fibre part, which means effectively it's made to almost F1 standards in F1 manufacturing methods, and it gives a very nice purity across the whole part. It's got a very nice rich colour to it, and obviously it's very pure in terms of it's lacquered over and clear coated for UV stability and protection. So this is a part that we offer ourselves, so if you do want this installed here on the south coast of England, we are a Dissident Automotive authorised dealer, so we can potentially fit this to your car. This obviously is one part of the rest of the kit, so there's also side skirts, ducktail, boot spoiler, and also diffuser. So very nice part. It's an OEM fitment, so it picks up on all the original clip points, uses all the original fixings, there's no glues, sealants or anything else required, it's all OEM fitment. So hope you enjoyed that video, and watch some of the other videos to see the rest of the parts on this car.
We'll be right back.